Good morning, student. Today in our class we will discuss the information technology of West Bengal and small scale and cottage industry of West Bengal. Okay, so let's start. Here, at first, information technology. What is that? The West Bengal has always been regarded as one of the leading Indian state with a high intellectual capital, and it has immense potential to become one of the most attractive destinations for IT, that means information technology. And West Bengal now contributes about 2.6% of Indian software turnover, and it also provides employment to more than 1 lakh persons in Kolkata metropolitan area. Here we also discuss some important informations about IT in West Bengal. And the leading IT companies in West Bengal are TCS, Infosys, Wipro, that have established information technology center in West Bengal, and the huge amount of human resource that required by this industry is being met through the establishment of Indian Institute of Science, Education and Research. Okay. Now the other informations about IT in West Bengal are like the organic and information technology project of Videocon has laid its foundation stone on 25-acre lands at Devgram in Jalpaiguri districts in the year 2007. And Rajarhat is going to be the pioneer IT center of West Bengal. 41 small and medium software companies have been allotted lands for establishment there. Okay, and some in this time some important developer companies like DLF, Unitech, they are also allotted lands for proper use. And the different IT companies like the Cognizant and British Telecom, Patani Computer, etc. These organizations also establish infrastructures, have also been given land in West Bengal for expansions. Okay. And the Price Waterhouse Cooper has been entrusted with the job of estimating the possibilities of development of information technology center like in Siliguri, Holdia, Khargopur, Durgapur, etc. Okay, and beside this, setting up the industries in Nature Island near Holdia is also a matter of considerations. Okay. Now I am going to explain about the prospect of IT in West Bengal. A well-planned and effective strategy is required to encourage the additional investment from large IT companies to develop and tap the talent of rising entrepreneurs and enable the spread of industries further in West Bengal. Now we are going to discuss about the small scale and the cottage industries of West Bengal. A productions of finishing good by a worker at home or sometime together in associated with his family is known as cottage industry. Okay, small scale industries are those which include manufacturing and repairing units that have investment in plant and machineries up to 20 lakhs. Okay, this small scale industry we only see in the village areas or the near town or small town areas. Okay, so here we see there is a two type of small scale industries. One is traditional and second one is the modern small scale industries. Traditional industry example like handloom, khadi, sericulture, handicraft, beadi making, basket making, needlework, etc. And modern scale small scale industries including the tiny unit of power loom. Okay. Now I'm going to discuss the point what are the reason behind the developing cottage industry and the small scale industry. Like number one, it required minimum or the no investment in this small scale industry. And number two, family oriented industry, so labor problem is minimum. Number three, need not have any large infrastructure, small scale or the hut is enough for the industry. And number four, direct interactions with the buyer, so here the ready market is available always. And number five, raw materials are available locally and easily obtainable from these local places. And number six, governmental associated with this and is provided in marketing, banking and exporting the finished product. Now here I am going to tell you about some important cottage industries of West Bengal. Like first example is bidi making. The large number of people in West Bengal earn their livelihood by making bidis at home, and for this only need tendua leaves that is always available in the forest of Coach Bihar and Dinajpur in West Bengal, and from the adjoining state also like the Bihar and Jharkhand and Orissa. Okay. So it is easy for bidi making industry developed in West. Okay, number 2 point is basket making. For basket making, the important raw materials are bamboo, can and willow. The people in the mountain regions like in Darjeeling, Jalpaiguri or Coach Bihar take basket making as their occupations and living. Number 3 is lac industry. Lac is a natural resin secreted by an insect which is tree or the babul or people or kusum or the polas tree. Lac is a raw material in the many small scale industry producing like nail polish, paintings, ink, electrical insulator, etc. And our next point is handicraft and the needlework. Handicraft like terracotta, dokra, cane, leather, etc. are produced in the large quantity in Bolpur, Santiniketan or Birbhum districts. The katha stitch work on sari and dress material, bag, wall hanging have a great domestic market. There is a large demand for these goods all over India and abroad as well. Okay. Now next point is silk industry. Silk industry of Malda is famous. Malda is noted for mulberry productions. Silkworms live on fresh mulberry leaves. So rearing of silkworm is an important occupation for many people in Malda and adjoining districts. Like silk and handlooms of Murshidabad, Bisnupur and Bankura are also famous. Now we are going to discuss other small scale and the cottage industry. Like I can give you example like ball pen, ripple making, candle manufacturing, wooden furniture making, these or the gold or silver smith, handicraft in Bankura, Purulia, Birbhum, Murshidabad, and stone carving, dokra, boutique or solar work, leather cutting, stitching is in famous in Bolpur, and optical farming, photo farming, tailoring, tea packing, packaging, wooden block printing, Xerox, photocapping. Through the number of unit in small scale and cottage industries of West Bengal is high, the incidence of sickness, lack of raw materials, poor management and financial problem is the causes of concern. So these are the main problem of small scale industries in West Bengal. Okay, but what are the prospects of small scale industries and cottage industry? It has a well defined plan for the development of their sector through the active support of West Bengal Small Scale Industry Development Corporations and the other agency under the Department of Cottage and Small Scale Industry. The aim are developing infrastructures for the small scale industry, creating industrial assets. Number 3, easy marketing of the finished good. And number 4, providing raw material support. And number 5, expanding